Oops. I forgot to turn it on, but well, first thing I need to repeat myself. Enrich yourself. This one is a very good example. One simple policy, transport subsidy, has two effects on AD and SRAS. But when we talk about the effect on AD, be very careful. Transport subsidy is a transfer payment. It is not out of government consumption expenditure. No, it's not government consumption expenditure. Instead, it is a cash subsidy that will increase the disposable income of citizens, and therefore they will consume more, leading to an increase in AD and shifting the curve to the right. Result, price levels will go up because of an increase in AD, and real output will increase. Now, the second effect of the subsidy is that it lowers workers' cost of going to work. Okay. Oh, it's sort of like cost of transportation, as cost of production as well. As I've said, people living in Tin Shui Wai, they spend $45 going to Central or Wan Chai to work. But now the government giving them $50. Well, of course, their disposable income increased, and at the same time, it increased their mobility because the government is paying for their transportation. Okay, they're more willing to work now. Now, the mobility increased, the geographical mobility increased. So we have more labor pouring into the labor force. And therefore, your SRAS, the quantity of labor, will increase. Now, with an SRAS increasing, the price level is going to drop and your real output is going to increase. What is the overall effect? Overall effect? Well, why the aggregate output is definitely going to increase, because you look at here, an increase in AD will push up aggregate output short run. Increase in SRAS will also push up the short run aggregate output. But the price level is uncertain because they are working in different directions. So it depends on the magnitude, once again, the magnitude of change in AD and SRAS. Now, this is page 12. And finally, on page 13, well, what if we have a change in LRAS and AD? Now, this is exactly what I said. How come? Well, our production capacity definitely increased over the past 30 years, 40 years. And how come we still see inflation in our economy? Well, simple. Is that we have an increase. Let me draw a diagram very quickly. We have an increase in LRAS for sure, but unfortunately, okay, so let me label this first for safety. P, Y, LRAS 0, LRAS 1. So you're shifting. The AD curve is here. Well, at a first glance, oops, dotted line, we have a drop in the general price level. But unfortunately, if your AD curve shifts more, so I draw an AD curve and I shift it more later on. Yeah, I guess that is good enough. AD1. And you can tell, say, dotted lines, LRAS and AD1, the price level goes up to here. So original equilibrium is G. Now you have a G1, you have your YF, you have your YF1. All right. Now, because the increase in AD probably caused by increase in C, G is greater than the increase in LRAS. So output, aggregate output did increase to YF1, but price level also increased to, this is PE, this is P1. Okay. That is exactly probably what happened in the past 30 years. All right. So, see, this is the end of chapter 18. Now, in this 1 or 2 days, I will compile 18 classwork 18B. If you have not done 18A, I strongly encourage you to work on 18A and submit it. Never mind about the deadline. And give me a day or two. Well, you know, tomorrow is a holiday. Probably I need to spend time with my family as well. And you can expect another exercise classwork after tomorrow, 18B. 18B. I will inform you through the WhatsApp group when the classwork 18B is available. And this will be a summary of what we have covered today. And I will also do a video on the chapter 18 homework, guiding you through all the short and long questions. And if you have any questions about chapter 17 and 18, feel free to drop me a WhatsApp. Okay. So much for today, and enjoy your holiday tomorrow. We'll see you in the next round. And if within this period you have any questions, as I've said, feel free to drop me a note. Okay. Bye-bye. Enjoy your lunch.